Hi everyone. I want to start by going over some symbols with you. I think I've already shown you a couple of these symbols, but I'll just show you the rest of them. These values are all called population parameters because they're all names of values that have been calculated with an entire population, and these values are all called sample statistics because they're all values that have been calculated with a sample. And these are the symbols that are used for each of these values. Um, the symbol for a population mean is the Greek letter mu. The symbol for a population variance is this Greek letter here, which is actually called sigma. It's sigma squared. The symbol for population standard deviation is just sigma. The symbol for sample mean is called x bar. It's just an x with a bar above it. The symbol for sample variance is s squared, and the symbol for sample standard deviation is just s. We won't go over what the symbols are for population median and sample median. I'll just show you these symbols that I already have on the screen. And the symbols for population parameters are Greek letters, like mu and sigma, and the symbols for sample statistics are just regular letters, like well, this is the letter S, and this is X, but it just has a bar above it. So now that we've covered these symbols, we'll go on to talk more about calculating a sample statistic to estimate what a population parameter equals. In other words, we'll talk about calculating a value with a sample, like a sample mean, to estimate what that value would have equaled if it had been calculated with data from all population members. And what we're going to specifically focus on next is calculating a sample mean to estimate a population mean. In other words, we'll talk about calculating the mean or the average of a sample of people to estimate the mean or the average of the entire population that the sample came from.